scene. Welcome back to Brick Zone, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make your own customized Lego Rapid Strike. Oh, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it to your families and friends if you like this video. And also, please subscribe because it really helps me a lot. And I come up with like insane stuff that I want to show you guys, and you don't know what comes in my brain that I want to build. And also, that out of the way, let's get into the video. So this is what you need for this videos. You can probably see them, but they're kind of a little bit dark. You don't really need the stuff that's all like blue and dark and black. You can just do it with any color you want. If you want, you can just, I can give you a time for you to look at them. You're gonna need 3 of those, 3 of this, and like 4 of those, and 3 of these, and 2 of those, and like almost 5 of these, 4 and 3 of these, and like 2 of those, and like 2 of these, and 3 of these. Alright, let the fast forwarding begin. And now I'm gonna be showing you some of the details you guys didn't recognize. Get a close-up look. Let's take in the end of the back upside down. So I mostly tried to like make like this like Fortnite weapon, this like rapid fire strike from like season 9. I tried my best. It may have looked like a rifle, but it's still like an SMG. Alright. And the first stuff that we're going through is the laser rifle. And I know this may not look like it may look like a shotgun, but it's mostly a rifle. Oh, and I also forgot that I gave him like hands. I worked so hard on those, and I'm gonna give you a 3 tour to see the weapon details. Oh, and also the details of him as well. Now we're going on closely, but we're gonna mostly have to take away a weapon. So this is what the weapon is. You may see I've done it with like some of the like blasters, and like 3x3 and like 3x1, and also some like triangles, and some like 2 of them right now. All right. That's all for the rifle. On to the next weapon. And now we're on to the pistol. You may be wondering, why is he laying down? Well, he's mostly laying down because I was trying to like make him like go like boom, 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 and like shoot all like the people, like enemies on the head. All right, well, let's take the pistol out of him. Let's put this carefully so the camera doesn't shake. And here's a pistol. So it may look like a little bit dumb, but I'm trying to make it look futuristic. And you might know that he has like a silencer on it, so it can be silenced in combat. And I put like two like mountain sides on this. And I mostly put this on because they can like fit on those parts I just made on his hands. And I made like a glowing like a mountain type looking over here to make him look like a little bit futuristic. And I also made like this angel block with like this part of it like on the bottom, so there may be like two tops connected, so right here and like down here. Alright, so now on the pistol, let's move to the other one. And now we're going on to the grenades. There's 3 types. We're going on the first one. So this is the pose where he like stumps onto the door and then like throws the thermite grenade. First of all, the thermite grenade is mostly a grenade that he throws in the room and then sets a fire to the whole place. And it's mostly like I don't know really if you guys like it, but let's go on the other ones. I may not pausing it, but it still works. This is mostly the regular grenade. It's just like mostly like takes off like the top and then he like throws it in and everything explodes. Let's go to this one as well. So this is like the flash grenade. You know how flash grenades work. He like mostly like opens this part and then throws them in the room, and then it opens through and blasts a bunch of light for like all the enemies to be blind. And that's all for all 3 grenades. No longer for boring grenades. Let's go to the big ones. Alright, so now we're on the thermite weapon. This weapon is mostly what we're like. There probably gonna be 4 weapons. I mean, like 4 people right in front of him. So the way to deal with them, you need this bad boy. You just need to aim on to like the enemies and then like trigger the trigger and then boom, a bunch of 3 bullets, 3 flash bullets will come out and take all of the 4 people will be right next to you. Alright, and after that, we just gonna need to take it off for you to have a good look at it. I put some weird details on. You may be wondering how I put this on. You don't really know a lot, and I used a bunch of like one of these like sticks, like not really sticks, just like a stick on the molecular and with holes. Now let's go on to the flamethrower. And now we're on to the big one, the flamethrower. So this is actually like the holder over here. It's not like, and it's like all built up like far away, and then like got a flaming tube to flame them up. And I also got this so you can like easily like hold it enough. Oh, and also there's like a tube that he cuts through it, that he's pleasured it through, that so he can like get some more he's like flames like inside of it. So you know more of this guy, and now let's go to like some ones that you didn't see. And now we're on to the RPGs. So let's look at some of this. It's very long, and he also has like a targeting laser that he shoots, that he uses to target some of like factory to blow up, and stuff. And also let's get it. Also every time. Wait, hold up. All right. So this is the rocket launcher. You may know it's mostly like that weapon from season 6 of Fortnite that shoots 4 times. You know that. I'm not explaining that really a lot because it's ain't a Fortnite video. And what's with this long? Because like once you like shoot an RPG, the flare comes out to like in real life. Alright, so we're on to the next one, the minigun. Alright, so let's take a look at this. So you mostly know that I probably like use like a lot, like almost like 12 of them, of like these like tube lights and like circle floors all over them. And I also use like a floor with one single attached, so I can put them like this and spin them up with my hand. Alright, let's take a look. So now we're on to the big stuff, boys. So this is the sword. This is a very big sword that I worked on. That is like, I know it doesn't really look like a short sword, but I tried my best to make one. And it may look a little bit bigger than him, and it may be like the size of his arms, more like a lot bigger than his arms. And right now, let's look at a bit like closer a bit. I don't know, but it may look like an alien ship to you guys. But it also has this to stick on his hands. Now we're on to the final one, and I will be showing you guys the rest of them in another video. So stay tuned for that one. But now we're on to the last one. I call this the laser launcher. It may look I tried to make this like a grenade launcher, but I tried my best, and I decided to go on and make it a laser launcher. So the main thing that how it works, I also done like a targeting over here as well. And the main way it works, so it mostly charges it up like boom, 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 and then fires 2 lasers out of these holes, and then bam, it literally breaks through all 5 walls. All right, let's get a little bit of detail on this big boy. All right, and I may have used some circles, that spinning circles, and I used some like one of these tiny ones and with holes that sticks right through it, and I used some tubes all over that thing, and I also use the thing every time as well. And this is all for it. Now we're going on to the ending. I hope you guys like this video right now. That was an absolute journey of all this creation. And I'm gonna give you some tour about all the names of them. The speeder, the semi-auto rifle, the flamethrower, RPG, the sword, the laser launcher, the laser rifle, minigun, the flashback, the flare grenade, regular grenade, and the silence pistol, and the mech. And I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That helps me so much. Share this video if you like it. And also if you're new to this channel, hit the stuff that I just told you before. And then I'll see you in the next video. Peace!